Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today's video will be a first impression and review wear test on the new Neve Cosmetics Star System Foundation. I received this yesterday and these are brand new on the market. I received this as a PR package, but it is not sponsored in any way. I just really love Neve Cosmetics. If you didn't know, Neve Cosmetics is a 100% cruelty-free and vegan brand. I have been using them for years and years and years, and I love them so much. And it's always such good and high quality, even though it's like pretty cheap. So today I thought that we could try out the new foundation. I love to try out new foundations. I think it's so much fun, and I think it's like one of the main thing about a makeup. If you have a good foundation, your makeup will look good. So that's why I really love to try them out. I got it in 4 different shades. It's the 4 lightest ones. So it is fair neutral, light rose, light neutral, and light warm. I'm not really sure which one will suit me. I think fair neutral actually, like the lightest one. So before we start, just a little bit of info about the foundation, and I have it here on the screen from their website. It says perfecting stick foundation for a movie star skin every day. Silicone-free vegetarian and vegan formula enriched with rice, bran wax, and baobab oil. Oh, it says fair neutral is our palest shade of foundation. And this is fair neutral, yes. It should be a full coverage formula that gives a extra matte result, but it should be easy to blend and should be able to be built up as well. Give a velvet matte finish. Okay, cool. So when I got this yesterday, I didn't know how to like open it, but this is just the product. You can screw up like this. They also have a sponge in the other end. I will probably not use the sponge because why would I? Alright, so now we are super close and you can see everything on my skin. As you guys can see, I don't really have problem skin, but I do have quite large pores right here on my nose, here as well, and some on my forehead. I more have problems with pores and blackheads, but I do have a few small pimples. But overall it is quite clear and it's not bumpy or anything. I do have a very oily skin type, just because it is winter now. It's a bit better than normal, but I am still very oily, like in my T-zone, and I'm not dry whatsoever. So with all of my foundation first impressions, I always use a primer of some sort on one side of my face to see if it looks better. So on this side I will use the Forsell Unicorn Essence. This serum is not at all to mattify or anything like that. It's more to get like moisture and more glowy skin. Alright, so now let's just start applying this. Because it is in a stick, I will just go ahead and paint it on this side without the primer at first. And I will use the new Neve Cosmetics brush. It doesn't have a brush number, but it's this like super cute pink collection. So let's try and blend this out.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? A scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it...
So it blended out a lot nicer than I thought, because it felt very matte and dry when I applied it. But it applied actually really nice with the brush, although I would not say that this is a full coverage result, and I'm not really happy with the coverage right now. So I will go in once again and apply some more.
Scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb.
Okay, so this is the second layer and it went great building it up. Although I still wouldn't really say that it is a full coverage. But let's just leave that and use it on this side of my face with the primer. I will try and use just as much as I used on the first time. And I will try and apply it with a LH Cosmetics sponge this time. Although I have a feeling I won't like it.
Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it
That gave pretty much the same coverage as the first layer on the side. So let's just go in another time. But it did work out with the sponge actually. I thought that the foundation would be way too dry for it to be applied like this, but it worked. I actually feel like this side gave more coverage. Maybe I used more product, I'm not really sure. Or maybe it just blended out better, either with the sponge or with the primer. But fuck, I'm not happy with the coverage now either. I'm gonna use some more. Okay, so I am now happy with the coverage, and the side without the primer looks very, very matte, while the primer side looks a lot more glowy, as you guys can hopefully see. But I really like the coverage right now, and both sides look very nice, although this one, as I said, glowing. This one is very, very matte. So it will be interesting to see how they will last throughout the day. But yeah, I will actually continue now and record a makeup tutorial that will already be up when you see this. So if you want to see that after this video, you can check it out down below and also up here in the end of this video. And we will see each other in a few hours. So I am now done with the makeup look. The makeup look will be out or will soon be out on my channel. If you would like to see how I created it and what kind of products I used. I did a 100% vegan tutorial. So I think it's been like maybe 2 hours since I started the makeup. Let's see. Okay, right away I see that the side without the primer is looking very, very dry. I do always, pretty much always get a line right here and a little one right here, because when I smile, it cracks up with pretty much all of my foundations. So I'm not really angry about that, but it's there. But it looks very dry right here. It looks quite dry here as well. My nose does not look nice. Like the foundation on this side looks okay, but I would only say that it looks really good right here, and that is not a problem area for me. I really hope you guys can see that both on my nose and on my cheeks, the apples on my cheeks, the pores look so huge. Even right here it doesn't look good. So yeah, right now I am not impressed, but I will, as said, have this on the entire day, and we will see each other again in a few hours. Whew. All right, I'm kind of scared to look at myself now in these lights because I've not really looked at myself for many, many hours. I started doing my makeup at 12 and it is 9:15 right now. 9 hours, something like that. I've had this makeup now and this foundation. So we shall see how it looks. Let's start off with my forehead. It looks so dry and awful. And then my nose looks horrible. It looks like I have the largest pores ever. Like right here looks gross. Like look at this. Ew. I'm super dry right here. The foundation is like totally gone on my chin. Okay, when I tried to fix this with the sponge, the foundation just disappeared. It's like I've scratched myself like right here because the foundation and the contour and bronzer and everything is just gone there. So I love Neve Cosmetics. It's such an amazing cruelty-free and 100% vegan brand. I love their products. Pretty much everything that I've tried I love. But this foundation is not for me. I'm sad to say that I don't like this. I feel like my skin looks horrible and I just want to take it off and just wear my natural skin. I'm not really sure what kind of skin type this would work on because it is so dry, so it wouldn't suit anyone that is very dry. But me, who is very oily, it doesn't work. Obviously for some people this works. It doesn't work for me. I don't like it at all. I might try it out for another time. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope you guys enjoy my foundation wear tests. I really love doing them. I think it's very interesting to see how foundations work on my skin tone, and I like that I can tell you guys so you know what kind of foundations I like and how they work and stuff like that. That's it for this video. I hope you like it. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I will now go and pack for Copenhagen, that I will go with NYX Professional Makeup tomorrow, which will be so much fun. I'm only there for 24 hours though, but it will be fun. I hope you will have an amazing day or night or whatever time it is where you are right now, and I hope we'll see each other in my next video. Bye guys.